Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw Pi coin from Pi app. Alright, so in order to withdraw your Pi tokens from your Pi app, you're going to need a couple of things. First off, you're going to need the Pi application itself and the browser. Alright guys, so once you've opened up the Pi app, you're met with the Pi mining screen. At the top left, click on the hamburger icon and select profile. Once you're at your profile, you can view your account verification status like your phone number, Facebook, address, and ID, as well as your password. So once all these have been green checked, you're good to go. The next criteria is you're going to have to head over to your mainnet. So where we have mainnet, click on mainnet, and this is your balance dashboard. So at the balance dashboard, we have your unverified and transferable balances. Your unverified balance is basically your referrals and the referral bonuses from Pi. Now, your transferable balance is your balance that can be moved to your Pi wallet, that's your mainnet wallet after your verification. So this is where you can simply transfer. So make sure you transfer your balance, that's from the transferable balance. Click on transfer here. And then go ahead and make sure you've completed your mainnet checklist. So once you go through, you'd find that there are a couple of steps in order to make sure you're done with the Pi checklist. So once you've gotten through, submitted your KYC and completed your KYC results, you're going to be migrated to mainnet. Once the migration is done, your tokens on the transferable balance will be able to be moved over. So all you need to do is simply click on transfer and make sure you're done. And then once you've migrated, so let's say my transferable of 143, once it's been migrated to mainnet, all you need to do is click on wallet. Now, in order to view your wallet, you are going to have to unlock the wallet on your Pi browser. So remember I said we should download the Pi browser. So make sure you've downloaded it. And then where we have unlock Pi wallet, all you need to do is quite simple. Enter your passphrase. So before you get to this step, you're asked to create an account or create a wallet during your checklist. During the checklist process, you're asked to create a Pi wallet. As you can see here in number 2, you're asked to create a Pi wallet. So the created Pi wallet is this, and then you enter the 24-word passphrase. So once you've entered the passphrase, click on unlock with passphrase. All right, so once you've unlocked the Pi mainnet, you're met with your available balance, your lockups. So there's something you need to know before you can begin withdrawing. That's for new withdrawals. Before you can make any withdrawals, your Pi must have been locked up from between 2 weeks to about 3 years or so. So your Pi has to be locked up for some period. So I would suggest you go with the 2 weeks period so you can easily withdraw and use for the activity. All right, so now in order to withdraw from the Pi app, click on the pay or request option. And then where we have manually add wallet address, click on this. And then we're going to be getting our wallet address from BitGet. So minimize and open up the BitGet centralized exchange. So once you've opened up BitGet, please make sure you have an account on BitGet. If you do not have an account, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 1,000 USDT new user rewards when you register and verify. All right, so on BitGet, click on add funds and click on deposit crypto. Use the search icon at the top to search for Pi. Click on the Pi network and simply copy your address. So copy the deposit address, minimize, open up the Pi browser, paste the address you just copied there, and then simply click on send. So you're entering an amount. You can simply enter an amount of Pi you wish to send, and then simply click on send, and all you need to do is confirm, and the transaction will be completed and your Pi tokens will be moved from this wallet over to the address you stated. All right guys, so that's how it goes. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.